I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what North Korea sounds like. We will explore the unique auditory landscape of this nation, where sound is often a tool of the state. From the pervasive public broadcasts to the rhythms of daily life, we will uncover the distinct sounds that define the North Korean experience. Prepare to hear about the constant presence of propaganda and the echoes of traditional culture. A dominant feature of North Korea's soundscape is the constant stream of public broadcasts. Loudspeakers, found in every town and village, begin playing revolutionary songs and political messages from around 5 in the morning, continuing until late at night. These broadcasts are designed to unify the population and reinforce the state's ideology, creating an ever-present auditory backdrop to daily life. Beyond propaganda, music plays a significant role in North Korean culture. Traditional Korean folk songs are cherished, often performed with instruments like the gyeojeum. Revolutionary operas and patriotic anthems are also widely popular, celebrating national achievements and the leadership. Even children's songs frequently convey messages of devotion, shaping cultural identity from a young age. The sounds of military presence are also notable, with drills and grand parades featuring powerful anthems and synchronized marching. In daily life, you might hear the rhythmic sounds of collective labor or the whirring of bicycles and trolleys in cities. Private vehicle traffic is limited, making these other sounds more prominent. Rural areas offer the distinct sounds of agriculture and traditional village activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.